to a person, they look for their pocket. So for our premium product, there may be considerable value of money. But if somebody says that this is teak wood and they paint teak colors or something, they are ready to buy. And when they use it, within 2 or 3 years of time, it will be attacked by termites and many things. But original teak wood, it will be never attacked by any termites or any other insects. Because of, especially Kerala buildings, there is a natural oil tremendous there which is protecting all these kind of outside attacks. So there are any number of reasons we can list out for emerging challenges, especially for global resources availability, productivity. We are, if we one of the first presenter told there are 50,000 meter cube annually is annually used by India. So if we calculate forest industries, we are contributing 0.3% of that consumption.